Hello everyone, this is Mehdi and you are welcome to a new video. In this video we will learn how to create a standing service section in WordPress website using Elementor free plugin. In this tutorial we will not use Elementor Pro or any extra add-on, just we will use only Elementor free plugin. So to get this type of WordPress video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest WordPress tips and tricks. Before jump into the main tutorial, let's check which we are going to build in this tutorial. This is the service section. You can see our services and services image, then services name, short description and a button. If you hover on the services image, you can see the image has been changed, and really I did it with only Elementor free plugin. I hope you will enjoy it. Just if you hover on image, then you can change it, and I did it with Elementor free plugin only. Then the service name, description and a button. If you click on it, then it will redirect into another page or website which you will give here. I have given my YouTube channel, so if I click here, see details, then it will redirect to my YouTube channel. Okay, let's get started. Go to the admin dashboard, and this is the service page. Already I have made it. Now I want to add this type of section. Okay, this type of section. So we have to edit this page with Elementor. So edit with Elementor. Then we have to add a section. So hit on this plus icon and take a section flexbox, and I want to give it full width, and I want to give pixel which will be 1905 pixel, and navigate to the advanced tab. That's why I want to give fading here. Top will be 90, right 60, then bottom will be 90 and left will be 60 pixel. Okay, now I have to take another container. That's why we want to make this type of 3 column. Okay, so again click on this plus icon and container, just drag and drop here, and it will be like fluid and pixel. I want to give it 1280 pixel and it will be center. Okay, then again give another container here, just copy 2 times. That's why I want to add 3 column. Okay, so main container and layout, then this row horizontal. You can see 3 column has been added. Okay, now let's check our demo. This is the demo. Very fast, it has a image, so we have to take image here. Click on this plus icon, then this is the image, or you can search here image. Okay, this is the only image, just drag and drop here. Okay, image, then take title, heading, description. This is the text area, then take a button, simple button which is the Elementor free plugin available. Okay, now image, we have to add a image here. So click on this pencil icon here, then upload from my computer. Okay, actually I need 4 images, so I select all together, open. Okay, all images are uploaded. Now let's check again the demo. Okay, very fast, app development and this image. So click on this image, select, then click on select. You can see the image is added. Okay, now I have to give an image in background. That's why when we will hover on this image, then the image will be changed. So I added image from here. Now I have to give an image in this column as a background. Okay, so click on here, this is the column, navigate to the style tab, then background type and select image. give this image and select. Okay, you can see the column background image is added. Now we have to style it. Then scroll down, then give position will be top left, attachment default, and repeat, no repeat. Okay, then display size will be contain. Okay, you can see now it works almost perfect. Just before using image, you have keep in mind all images will be same size. Okay, so again you can see the background image is showing, so we have to fix it. So again click on this column, then go to the advanced tab and give padding 0. Yes, now it's perfect. Publish it, check it. Okay, you can see it works perfectly. Now we have to do, if we hover over an image, then the image will be changed. Okay, let's do it. So again just click on this pencil icon, this image, then navigate to the style tab, just scroll down, then you can see normal opacity, it will be 1, then hover, this opacity will be 0, and give transition, I want to give like 0.5. okay, now publish it, refresh the page. Oh, just awesome, now it works fine. You can see I did it with only Elementor free plugin. Okay, now we have to style this title, so we want to give it here. Just we can copy this text, apps development. Okay, and just do it center and give in size. Just navigate to the style tab and click on typography, select the font family. Just I want to give here Roboto. You can give any font family, then size will be 25. I think yes, 25 is perfect. Then line height will be 50. okay, I think it's okay. Now this is the description. Just again select this description and navigate to the style tab, then typography, same way you can give size. I want to give it like 15 pixel. Okay, and line height will be like 25 pixel. Okay, then we can give some padding, so navigate to the advanced tab and give padding left and right side. Okay, ten pixel. Okay, it's okay. Now you can give the text color from here. You can change here. I want to give it just black. Okay, now save and check it. Okay, it's perfect. Again, now we have to style this button. So again go to the editor, and this is the button. It will be center. So navigate to the style tab and click on center. Okay, we want to give another background color, so this is the background type. Click here, color, just we want to give deep blue. Okay, and then we want to give another hover color. If you hover on it, then background color will be changed. Okay, then again classic color, and I want to get just hover color. Sorry, this is the background color. So okay, you can see it works fine. We want to give some padding on this button, so in style tab, scroll down, you can see this is the padding. Just give from here. Okay, then I want to give right will be 20 and left will be 20. Okay, so it's okay. Now you can give a link from here. Okay, any link you can give. So I can give the link, this link. This is my another website link. I can give it here. Okay, and you can change it from here. If you want to open a new window, then you can check it and publish it. Finally, refresh the page. Okay, you can see the button background color has been changed and image has been changed. Again, check out demo. You can see it's a box shadow, so we have to give the box shadow here. To visible the box shadow, we can give a background color in this section. Okay, so just copy this color, then give here, and to give this section background color will be like this. Okay, then this column background color will be white, so select the column, then background type, background color, it will be white. Yes, just publish and check it. You can see it works fine. Now we have to give some padding here, so again select the column, then go to the advanced tab, and we can select and go to the layout, and we can see give some min height. Okay, we can change it. Okay, 550 we want to give it, then publish it. Again refresh the page and check it. Yes, it works fine. Now again we want to give a box shadow, so again select the column and style tab. This is the border, and give it box shadow here. It will be white color. Okay, publish it. Again check it. Okay, check. Add more column, publish it, then refresh the page. Yes, you can see it works fine. Then again add another column and delete this blank column. Yes, just now we will change the image, so click here, then give it and change the background image. Okay, publish it. Refresh the page. Yes, you can see it works fine. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you need any help, just let me know in comment section. I am ready to help you.